One messaging app is about to hand a self-custody crypto wallet to more people than any exchange has ever reached. Pavel Durov, the founder of Telegram, says a native Gram wallet will ship directly inside the app as soon as this summer. It would let more than 1 billion users hold their own private keys right where they already chat, with no separate download and no central company sitting in the middle. Unlike an exchange account that a firm controls, that means the individual user, and not a business, holds the money directly. Durov is also promising zero-fee transactions. An analyst at The Block described it as the largest rollout of a non-custodial wallet in human history. Telegram has long been seen as one of the few gateways big enough to pull a genuinely mainstream audience into crypto. If even a small fraction of those users ever switch it on, self-custody would jump from a niche habit to something that a billion phones quietly carry by default. A 300-year-old institution just blinked, and the reason is crypto. The London Stock Exchange is preparing a brand new overnight venue called LSE24 that would keep its markets open almost around the clock. The plan is a 5-day-a-week service trading from roughly 5 in the evening right through until just before 8 the following morning. Testing is expected by the end of 2026, with exchange-traded products set to be the first to go live in the first half of 2027. Executives are pointing directly at the competition, the tokenized stock platforms, and the crypto markets that simply never close and never sleep. Traditional exchanges have kept roughly the same daytime hours for generations, so stretching deep into the night is a genuine break from how the City of London has always worked. For years, crypto was told it needed to grow up and behave like Wall Street, and now Wall Street is quietly starting to behave like crypto. The wall between the traditional stock market and the crypto market just got noticeably thinner. Ondo has switched on tokenized stock collateral for its on-chain perpetual futures platform, known as Ondo Perps. Perpetual futures are leveraged bets on where a price is heading next, and every open position has to be backed by some form of collateral. Traders can now post SPAY-ON, a tokenized version of the S&P 500, and QQQ-ON, a tokenized version of the NASDAQ 100, to back those positions. In plain terms, a slice of America's 2 biggest stock indexes can now sit as the margin behind a leveraged crypto trade that lives entirely on a blockchain. For now, Ondo is keeping the throttle low, capping each of the 2 assets at an initial $100,000 in position size. Even so, it is one more sign that tokenized real-world assets are moving from a pitch deck into the actual day-to-day plumbing of crypto trading. Subscribe now!